What's up, guys? It has been a long time, probably close to 2 years since I've posted on here, or it's definitely over a year, that's for sure. It's probably a year and a few months. But I'm just putting this video on here, letting you guys know what's been going on, why I've taken such a long break, and how everything's been going. So when I first started making videos, our living situation, I was living with my girl's parents, and that's why my video intros were kind of like in the driver's seat of my car, really. I didn't want to put their house on, on YouTube, or I didn't want to, display where they lived, really. So after that, obviously my intros were inside my apartment, because I finally had an apartment. Or was able to get an apartment, and so I had like a little desk area and stuff, and that's where I filmed my intros and stuff like that. To not go into a whole lot of detail, the person I was rooming with, things didn't go according to plan. We ended up all having to leave the apartment, primarily due to money concerns. They were raising our rent outrageously high per month, so we moved from one house to an apartment. The apartment didn't work out, and now we are living in a makeshift tiny home just to get by and get plans going and saving some money. I'm making this video to kind of give an update on what's going on. So I will still be posting exploring videos on this channel. It's probably not going to be for a while, because we have a lot of other plans going on. But in the meantime, I'm going to have another channel made dedicated to vlogging what I've been up to and what I'm doing, and just to keep you guys more informed. So those of you who are still watching my videos or are still subscribed to my channel, I appreciate all of you, even though I've been MIA for a long time. There still will be exploring videos posted on here when we get a chance to do so. So far, the things that have changed from moving out of my apartment is we worked and renovated this tiny home, and we got our own business going. So we both had quit our jobs at the time, because working a full-time job and building a house and trying to get things going in life is just, sometimes you got to take a bit of a chance with that. We got a mobile business going. My girlfriend's a dog groomer, so we just been driving around taking clients and grooming animals and having a blast doing so, trying to make money. But in the other time, the new channel is going to be dedicated to traveling around in this vehicle that I've been building for a long time. I feel like it just takes forever to build it, but this is a 1997 Jeep Cherokee. It's not the most beautiful vehicle. I definitely could have gotten a better one, but the new channel is going to be dedicated to camping out of my vehicle, exploring new states, new things, new buildings, and making abandoned videos in new areas and stuff like that. Alright, what's up? Sorry, I had to cut the video short because I had to take care of some things that needed my attention. What I was getting at previously in the video, I appreciate all of you watching the videos. If you're still watching them, that's awesome. If you're new to the channel, that's awesome too. It's cool. This is a hobby. If it turns into something more, that is fantastic. But I'm gonna keep it as a hobby, and I'm gonna keep trying to make the best videos I possibly can and always improve. The video before this one, at the end of it, it showed a sneak peek of the upcoming video, which is this beautiful home that we got to explore. That was gonna be next, but I decided to upload this one to give everybody a little bit more information about what's going on, because it was a long time from that post to this real short informational video I'm posting right now. But I'm gonna post it at the end of this video. There will be another sneak peek of that same mansion, just to give everybody an insight of what I'm talking about. If you guys stuck around this long on this little tiny video, I appreciate it. And here is the sneak peek of the next video, which will be up at the 1 week from now, because that way I can go through it and double check all my stuff and make sure it's actually up to par to where I want it. But thank you guys for watching. Appreciate if you hit that like button, and enjoy this little clip.